Okay, good day everyone. Let us try to solve this problem. We'll just make use of the given that we have in your exercises, but the problem will be we are going to determine the first quartile, the second decile, seventh decile, and the 65th percentile. Okay, so before we are going to determine these measures of position, let us arrange first the given data set in ascending manner. So we have 18. Next we have 19. We have 3 19s. Okay, then we have 6 20s. Then we have 2 21s. We have 25 and 31. Okay, so let us try to check if we completely written the data set in ascending order. Let us count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so total of 15 observations. Now, so we can now get the first quartile. To get the first quartile, we are going to determine first the term for the first quartile. So to determine the term for the first quartile, okay, so we have a total of 15 observations times first quartile is the first fourth. Okay, so that would be 1/4, which is equal to 3.75. Okay, so we don't have an exact number here, but we have a decimal point, so to do that, to determine now our first quartile, so we will count 3 terms, 1 2 3, then take the next term. So this would be our first quartile. So first quartile is 19. Okay, as long as it is not exact, regardless of whatever decimal value you have here, 3.01, 3.92, 3.001, as long as there's a decimal point value here, you are going to take the next term as your answer. So that is how we get our first quartile. Okay, now for the next one, we are going to get the second decile. Okay, same step. So we are going to get the term for the second decile. So the term for the second decile will be, we have a total of 15 times, okay, second decile is the second tenth, so 2 out of 10. So we have 15 times 2, 30 divided by 10. We have 15 times 2, 30 divided by 10, we have 3. We have 3. So for this case, so we are going to determine, okay, the third term. So 1, 2, 3, which is 19. However, since this is an exact value, okay, so we are going to add the next, then divide them into 2. So just simply determine the average of the given term and the next, no? The average between the two. So the second decile will be equal to, okay, the third term is 19, the next one is 19, then we divided by 2. So actually it's 19 yapon, no? It's 19 also. Okay, let's continue on determining the 7th decile. So to do that, determine the term of the 7th decile. So that would be, okay, we have 15 times 7 out of 10. So that would be 105, or just over 10, that is 10.5. So we will count, so D7, so we will count the 10th up to the 10th term. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then take the next term. So we have 20 is our 7th decile. Okay. Now let's proceed with the next one. Okay, that is 20. Let's proceed with the next one. So we are going to determine the 65th percentile. So determine the term of the 65th percentile. So that would be 15 times 65 over 100, and that is 9 point, just use your calculator to compute for that one. We have 9.75. So 65th percentile will be, okay, count 9 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So take the next term. So we will also have 20, and that's it. So that's how we determine the measures of position in terms of quartile, decile, and percentile.